The material first passes through the straightening unit, where the rollers guide the strip and reduce bending from the coil. Adjustable rollers keep the strip centered and create a stable, flat path before it moves toward the feeding section. The operator adjusts roller pressure and machine speed from the control panel to suit the material and keep feeding smooth. These settings help the strip travel through the straightener without twisting, moving sideways, or being pulled too tightly. A controlled material loop is formed between the straightener and feeder, allowing both units to work smoothly at different speeds. The loop sensor monitors the strip position and helps maintain a steady amount of material between the two machine sections. The strip is then guided into the servo feeder, which controls how far the material advances before each punching cycle. The operator enters the feeding length, operating mode, and other production settings directly through the touchscreen control panel. The servo feeder aligns the strip with the punching die and keeps every punching position accurate and evenly spaced. Inside the guarded area, the die set is arranged to create the required hole pattern for the roller track tray. The touchscreen and handheld controller support setup, testing, manual movement, and final adjustment, while the safety guard keeps the punching area protected. From this point, the actual production sequence begins as a flat steel strip enters the feeding and punching system. The servo feeder moves the strip by the programmed distance, and the press punches each hole at the correct position. After punching, the strip is guided into the roll-forming machine with the required hole pattern already completed. At the machine entrance, adjustable guides keep the strip centered before it reaches the first forming rollers. The hand wheels allow fine adjustment of the guides and roller position, helping the strip enter the forming section correctly. The main control panel and handheld controller are used to start, stop, dock, and adjust the roll-forming machine. The strip passes through several roller stations, and each station bends the material closer to the required final profile. This gradual forming method reduces sudden deformation and helps maintain a consistent profile shape along the full product length. At the final stations, the rollers complete the profile edges and produce the required steel roller track channel shape. The finished channel exits onto the runout table. Finished steel tray ready for mounting wheels or rollers, creating a roller track system for smooth and stable material handling.